The Malayan night heron is a medium-sized bird, also known as the tiger bittern. Displays rich chestnut on its foreneck and breast, with a distinctive black stripe extending from the throat to the abdomen. The species feature is the 10+ centimeter black crest feathers. Makes field identification unmistakable when erects. Extremely timid and cautious by nature. The Malayan night heron freezes in place with raised crest when disturbed, scanning its surroundings vigilantly. During breeding season of May to July, females lay 3 to 5 eggs in remarkably exposed nests. These rudimentary platforms provide minimal shelter, forcing chicks to endure wind and rain during development. The Malayan night heron is distributed across Southeast Asia and southern China. It was listed on the IUCN Red List of threatened species in 2016.